Hey you guys, what's up? It's me, Harley J. Let me just angle this a little up. Perfect. So, yeah, what do I want to talk about today? I don't know. Just so you guys know, about, it was yesterday to the recording it, so the day before we were recording this video, I came out with a video called, Instagram Reels, which was about the new feature, Instagram Reels, which I started using, and I've already gotten a lot of views on one of my videos, on two of my Instagram Reels. So I just want to talk about let's do an updated version on Instagram Reels maybe. No, let's not do that. Let's do a video about lenses. So yeah, lenses are really cool. For smartphones, you can get lots of cool lenses. So I'm gonna go put on my lens. I'm gonna go grab it and then put it on this camera that I'm using. Just since I'm using an iPad to shoot this, it's gonna be for an iPad. But yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I got the lens. This is it right here. It's a $1 lens from Dollar Tree, and for $1, it's not that good, which you should expect because if it's $1, it shouldn't be that good. But it is I would say, pretty good build quality. It's it has a little plastic clip. It has the lens, which if I show you, it's pretty wide. And then it has the lens cap. So we put that on, and then I put this on, and sorry, let me just. No, let's just do this. I'll put this on. So that goes on. And dang it, a water started to spill just now. So let's pick that up. But let me just screw on this lens. The lens cap is on right now. Sorry. No, that's an accident. Let me just put this on. Sorry if that's black. The lens cap's on. This is now with the lens on the iPad using the selfie camera. So I'm using the selfie camera in video mode on an iPad 6th generation, which I've done a review on before. And yeah, so it's definitely plastic, definitely cheap. I don't know if it's real glass or not, but see, I'm tapping on it. But I don't know. Right now we're on the set of my short film called Here, which we were supposed to keep shooting. We were supposed to be shooting today, but we ended production a few days early. So, and we're still on location, just doing Foley sounds. So, and then we're taking lots and lots of breaks because it's also a beautiful place. So we're also just like going around. It's not a vacation, so we do go back every day. We do see some family while we're here and on set because we're taking so many breaks because it's pretty hard to shoot. But yeah, this is definitely a crappy lens, and I'll take it off. We'll just unscrew it, and now it's off. And now there we go. Now the lens is off, the clip is off, and we have to put it away. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe by clicking that red subscribe icon, and yeah, make sure it's gray. Yeah, and hit that little bell for notifications, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Peace out.